Alrighty. People of YouTube, this is one of my most profitable things I have ever did, ever. So, this is my property. This property was for sale for over a year. I had looked at this property a couple of times and passed on it because everybody else passed on it. And the reason they passed on this property is because there's a giant ditch in the back of the property. I was actually told not to fall in the hole of the property. As, speaking of which, Liv, when we cut through here, watch out for snakes, okay? Snakes are out in South Carolina. I had a copperhead in my driveway last night. So, anyway. So, back to my story. So, everybody passed on this property. And it's one of those things where it's like, if you see a bunch of people passing, and if you think you know better, then are you stupid for trying to outsmart everybody, or are you actually going to outsmart everybody? So, like I said, I was told to watch out for the hole on the property. I'm going to show y'all the hole on the property. This is the hole on the property. This is about a 15 foot deep creek that runs along the property. I actually love the little thing, but that's why everybody passed on the property. So I bought the property for $60,000, 5 acres. And we cleared this lot off. And we cleared that lot off. I paid roughly $10,000 to have the lots clear. So that put me in this place at $70,000. I was planning on putting mobile homes on both sides and doing my same thing. And somebody randomly contacted me. They found out I owned the place. And they made me an offer. And they offered me $110,000 for both sides. And I was like tempted, and I was like, no, that's okay. He called back the same day and it was like, I really want this place. I'll give you $115,000 as it is. And at that point, I'm sitting at 70. So at 115, I'm making 45,000. It's actually 47,000. I'm not sure where I'm getting my numbers wrong, but I cleared $47,000. And I have probably been over here an hour, maybe an hour. I probably didn't even have to be over here that much. I just like looking at my stuff that I'm buying. This lot was holding a little bit of water. So what they did is they came in and they brought in dirt. And they brought in loads of dirt to build it up. And this thing's going to be graded. So all the water is going to go into the back of the property. And you're going to have a big, beautiful lot. You're going to have a private driveway. You're come in. I was planning on putting a mobile home here. I don't know what they're doing. I'm pretty sure they're going to do the same thing because you have to kind of go with the septic. And the septic is for up there. So I'm pretty sure they're going to do exactly what I did. And I went through the numbers. And they're probably only going to make like 60 grand a lot. So it's surprising. But it's like, it is what it is. Like, very profitable deal. Like, I'll be honest, this has me wanting to do a lot more of this. Because it is so simple. You buy the land, you clear the land, and you sell the land. So, it's, I don't know. I can't imagine any easier way to make money without being in jail. So it's like, this lot is 2.5 acres. Both lots is about 2.5 acres. Oh, I remember where I messed up on my money. So I had paid to have the lot separated. And that is where some extra money was coming in. And the deal is still in place. So I'm still going to have to pay that. That comes out of my money. So it's not quite 47. I think it's going to be like 45,000. But $45,000 for an hour's work. You just can't beat it. Now, is every deal the same? Absolutely not. This was just a deal where for some reason people were scared of this property. I have no idea why. And I came in and I took the risk, and it's scary to pay $60,000 for something that you don't know for sure. And this property was like a bunch of people who knew more than me had passed on this place. So it's like I was a little nervous, but thank God I did it. Very happy. So, I mean, how long does it take to make $45,000 on a rental property? Like, it takes a long time. So while I'm working on my other rental houses, all I keep on thinking is, I need more land deals. I need more land deals. This is such a beautiful place. When they put the house in, this would be like your front yard. This place is like beautiful. Anybody's got any questions, anything like that, always feel free to message, like, and subscribe. I will be continuing my houses. It's gonna suck because it's already hot here and I am not crazy about working in the heat, but next week we're gonna have a cool week, so I plan on doing as much as I possibly can on the free house on the outside while it's cool. And then once it heats up, I'm going inside. I'm gonna put a big window unit I have on the inside and work on the inside and go from there. Like and subscribe, people. Share your videos with everybody else. This place is really beautiful. Like, I would be perfectly happy living here, and this would be my house. See you on the next video.